Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at the installation on stairs that are open on both sides. In a lot of our videos, we do go through how to do this yourself. Unfortunately, this isn't going to be a total DIY video because a good amount of the work is done at the shop and is therefore not shown here. But as you can see with this installation, we're not able to install the nosing completely made because of the nature with both sides being open. So like the installs we do with only one side open, we did come to the property ahead of time and take exact measurements, and then we made the nosings at the shop. Unlike those other ones, we've actually left this one side open so that we can do this installation. You'll see here there's a lot of angle cuts that get made when you're doing stairs that are open on both sides. We have the nosing that comes across the front, we have the two that go down the sides, and then we have those end caps. If you don't do those little angle end caps there, then even though the side and the top is covered, that very back angle is not. So this is how it has to get put into place. As always, we're using our PL Premium adhesive for this. You did see that when it was being installed this way, we're not just using it on the surface that's going to be touching the stairs. We are putting a small quantity of it on the sides of the vinyl where it's going to connect to each other. And then what you're seeing here is we're just doing a whole bunch of taping. The tape is going to make sure that everything is held in place while that PL Premium is setting because it can take up to 24 hours to fully set. You'll see here we use lots of strips, and we're making sure not just that everything is flush, but that it's also level up and down, because obviously we don't want there to be variations in the height. All right, so on to the risers. On this property, they did choose to use the vinyl for the risers. Just to reiterate, as we've talked about in other videos, a lot of customers that reach out to us are looking for the look where the risers are actually not the same color as the vinyl. They're a white. And so they say, oh, we'll just paint the risers. For a professional finish with our stair nosings, you do need to have a riser in place. This is for the way that things get covered and sealed and made flush. And this is also the reason that we actually install from the bottom stair up. Okay, we do get a lot of comments talking about why we would start at the bottom, but it really is about the angles. So we've installed that bottom step there. That riser is then using a fully flat Flush Factory finished edge down onto the stair we just installed. And then this lip that is just being put on right now is going to be covering the top of that riser. So if there is a slight gap or if there is slight variations in that cut, that's going to be covered. And so that order of installation is going to give you that professional finish. And here's that finished product. Okay, obviously with those posts and those spindles in place, it really is an absolutely beautiful finish. Those are those two open stairs we showed you, as well as these closed stairs here that then go into the open on one side staircase that are here. This is really what makes our products the best on the market. So we were able to take this vinyl and give this customer exactly what they wanted on the stairs that were already existing in their home.
Please subscribe.